How to delete Instagram chat. Now let's say you have this Instagram chat that you don't want to see anymore. So all you have to do to delete that Instagram chat with another person is to tap on this messenger button right here and locate the Instagram chat that you want to delete. Now once you have located that, let's say this one right here, all I have to do to delete that is to long press it right there. And it will give you various options, whether I want to pin the message, I want to delete the whole Instagram chat, or I can also mute the messages or mute the calls. Now remember, if you delete this Instagram chat, you will no longer see the specific conversation anymore. So all you have to do is to tap on delete right here, and you just have to tap on delete. Now you have deleted that Instagram conversation. So that's how to delete Instagram chat. Hope we help.